Patrick, PCTV here. We are at cruising PCH number 36, huh, Robert?
Quarantine cruise.
Well, yeah, you know, we don't know if it's a quarantine cruise or is it cruising PCH now.
Well, now that the quarantine's over, how can it be a quarantine cruise?
That's right. So we just called the Q Cruise. Look at this. Yeah, I think that's Nick's. Is that Nick's Superbird right there?
Yeah.
And then we got. I always forget their name. They're such nice
Look
folks.
at that great coupe.
Oh, that coupe.
I mean,
Roadster. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at Chanel.
That thing is
67.
beauty.
SS. One of my favorite bump sides of all time. But look at this C10 here. Edgar. Anybody else know? Yeah, Edgar was hosting the show with you, Jen. That's yesterday. What's up? Good morning. There we go for you. 65er. Look at this, guys. Already, what, 7 in the morning?
Yeah.
Well, 7:20. I guess we're kind of late. Oh, here's that Miss Davis, the Uriah's Piston.
Yeah.
That was actually Nick Jr.'s Uriah's Piston. That was actually his truck. That's the grandson.
Oh, the grandson. Oh, yeah.
That's the grandson.
Yeah.
And I believe his name is Dave or Dan. I'm not sure, but look at that big window. Apache. Shit, let's keep rolling. All kinds of great stuff on the A-Row. Oh, he was here. He was there yesterday too.
That Hemi Cuda is spectacular.
Oh, it really is. He was there yesterday. $620. This is my truck. This is my exact truck except in blue and a short bed. And it was full custom. It surprised me at Daryl's truck. So far, so good. Walter's over here.
That's black C10 with all the copper, all the chrome is done in copper. It is
Pretty Penny.
Spectacular.
That's I found its name, Pretty Penny.
Okay. I need to talk to him.
We got that copper. Also one of my favorites right here. Oh, look at that. We got Mike Holloman. He makes the A-Row. He's in with the cool kids. Look at this, dude. Paul. Now that's a resto mod.
Yeah.
Four-door Bel Air wagon here. Kind of nice. We got the cones right here.
SS truck is
Very dope. These are bringing big money right now.
yeah.
Purpose built. He's a shop. Nice. Very, very nice. Black Widow exhaust or Flowmaster? I think Flowmaster. And a nice split bumper. Gen 2. 71. LS equipped. Nice Nova camber speed shop sticker. Where's Embo? I haven't seen him yet.
Walter.
Embo's the show
We got
yesterday.
Walter over here.
We got farm truck. We got farm truck.
I like it.
Weld wheel in the front, steel in the back. Oh, this is fun. This is what I needed this morning. Nice rest of mod Chevelle, 1970. Big smile. Beautiful. Look good. Yeah. Yeah. Blue collar Barbie. Lindsay? No. Lindsay, yeah. Blue collar Barbie. Look at that California special, man. These are pretty rare. You know, when you really think about it, you just don't see a lot of them. I don't know if they were a super popular option or, you know, they had a bad scoot, but the one thing I never liked on them was the taillights. And the same taillights I think that Pedal Bob has in his.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I believe it's the Cougar taillights.
Okay.
But it's the same taillights that Bob has. But I love the California special is great. This Nova's been around forever. I come from, right here. This is, like I said, this is where I cut my teeth, and that is one of the prettiest OBSs I've ever seen. And it's in that single stage gray and everything else. Nice square body right here. These shave. There we go. Got a late here, like a 789. Really nice. Four-door Chevelle. Are these the Yenko stripes, or what stripes are those? I don't know this. I don't know that stripe that well. No, I don't know what stripe that is. You guys need to help me on that one. I'm used to the hockey sticks and the regular rally stripes, so I don't know that stripe. Black Chevelle. I didn't see the front on it. Here's that C3 wagon. All original. And this is true patina. Skane. You know, when we got here, the line was backed up. It was a huge line. And look at it. It's just... Still rolling. Those wheels look familiar.
It's going to be cool downtown Huntington again. They're going to just take over Main Street.
We got to make a plan on that one. Let me get up Patrick's way here. Patrick, what's up?
Hey, how are you, Pat?
Good to see you, buddy.
Glad to be in paradise.
You know it. Oh, look at this.
It's a bummer nobody showed up.
Yeah, it really does suck, doesn't it? God, that thing's awesome. I don't know if that's original. What that is?
24 Buick.
24. Okay, that's the rarest car here.
Yeah.
That is the rarest car here. C10 Chev, very, very clean.
Yeah. Downtown Huntington Main Street this morning is going to be off the hook.
See, I'm trying to make a decision. Should I leave now and get down there and just park and put my chair right on the side of the road, just sit there, you know? And then after that, head over to Chihuahuas. Here come the CTS guys. These are CTSs, right?
Yeah, CTSVs.
CTSVs, thank you. Yeah, these are one of the ones that was involved with Dano.
I like the 2-doors and I like the wagons.
Love the wagons. Love the wagons. And I love the 2-doors too. But yeah, these are beautiful cars.
Monsters.
They really are. SRT.
Hellcat.
Schmelcat. Look at the wheels.
Yeah, they're racing. They're street racers.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. There's that Chameleon. You don't see Chameleon, dude. That with truck nuts.
Yeah.
That with truck nuts. One of my favorite modifications of all time is Chameleon paint. That's pure sarcasm injected into that. Yeah, decent. Was a Gen 4.
Isn't the worst thing you could do to a car, but the green that turns to dog shit brown that turns to purple.
That's the worst of the worst.
Is the not the
Nice aspect.
my favorite.
No, and that was the first color too. That was weird. Here's a Yenko. There's your Yenko stripe.
What that other one was.
SC. Yeah, and that was like the first color that came out. Look at this. Is this a Defender or I don't know this is a Defender, right?
Yeah.
You know, Richard Turner sold his out of Montana. Yeah, he already sold it. Dude, look at this Toyota. How rare is this?
Had it for a week.
A Blizzard. Oh my God, this is rare. Right-hand drive, Japanese home model Toyota. Dang.
And turbo.
It's turboed. Beautiful, beautiful 68. Just clean, nice, sweet. Little Grand National action.
And there was a handful of these rolled in
T-type. Regal.
in front of us.
Yeah, we had a whole group of them. These are getting big, dude. I've seen more of these now in the last couple of years than I've seen in 15. It's crazy how these
only
have come
cars
back.
to come out of the 80s that wasn't
Badass.
a piece of shit.
Yep. Well, also Buick was one of the top factories too. Buick was an A-line factory for GM. Anything that came out of Buick was always, and Pontiac. Those were always like their best built stuff. You know, look at that. Gorgeous.
There wasn't anything in the 80s that was a performance car. Not even the Corvette. That was worth the shit.
Well, I mean, we had the Shelby GLHS. That was 228 horsepower, but it was a pile of crap. But it was a fast pile of crap. This thing is nuts. This is Trucking Magazines. This is my, like again, this is the world I come out of right here. Crazy where custom trucks have gone though. You know that's pushing 200. I don't know if it's fine. Well, you figure the truck's a bucket plate to start with. Yeah. Little high stall there. But yeah, you know that truck with all the Mazda, it's got to be pushing 2. All right, you got to love yourself an E350. Model line, best van ever made.
Diesel too.
This sucker is one of the best vans ever made right there. And it's a Ford too on top of that. Nice 350, good morning. There we go. Everybody needs a Cutlass in their life. 72? I think it's 72. All right, look at this SSRS.
What's up, Walter?
Walter, how you doing, buddy? Wow. We just don't say to guys like that, we're like, nice doing, buddy. Oh, I love that truck with a seal coat on it. 60, that's 63. Oh, yeah. Baby, how many of these do you think would be left?
I like the 2 doors like that.
Oh, yeah.
And then we took our C10 to him.
Very nice one. Do you see 10 long beds? No wood in a bed.
Wiring, and we had that issue with the white C10 where it was.
Look at this, man. Nice. Hudson, rare. Rare, rare, rare.
Driving down the road.
Wow, that's rare.
Shut it off and turn it on and come back.
RS 69. Nice 450 SS stock OBS. 67 here, Chevelle, Resto Mod, very clean. Beautiful Resto Mod out of Arizona. A lot of folks here today. Nice 3100 Apache. 55. Mustang convertible. Morning. Wow, look at this one. Another beautiful 69.
When I started the project.
Wow.
It's just so much fun to drive. I remember when I first
Great. Up on off of Mulholland Drive. Look at this little Honda.
No, this was.
Oh, you got a ruckus in the back.
Yeah, it was one of the first shows.
Oh, dude, beautiful. Sprint. One of my favorites. Olsen family.
Olsen family.
The Olsen family. Good morning. Beautiful 65 Fall. This is one of the more built Broncos I've seen. Very sweet. Liking the color. Very nice.
I don't have a name for it.
Monty SS.
It almost looked like I had a 71. They're similar.
Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Gorgeous. 6'3". Impala standard. Just chilly 6'3". Right behind it, look at that, man. The big dog, 57, Bel Air convertible. Very sweet. Another 63. This was your Honda Civic.
Yeah, this was
Nice 2-door. Impala, SS caps, full SS 63. Nice roll in it. roof. See, I think it was the Buick 216 is what it was. Nice 66 there. We got a whole stack of moderns coming in. Good morning. The Hellcat.
Embo's been bugging me to bring him some weed. I brought it yesterday. He didn't show up at John and Daryl there.
What?
Not here today. No, I'm in Texas, but he's at home.
He's at home?
Yeah, he's at home. He lives by me. He lives in Brea, not too far from me.
There we go. This is what Don Garling's car originally looked like.
They didn't make a two-door of that, did they?
Oh no. These were originally built for police duty and for utility taxi and utility duty. So yeah, they'd be 4 doors. But you know, they didn't do a lot of Caprice 2-doors. In the 70s, they did a Caprice 2-door. Remember they did that 2-door, long ass 2-door Caprice. It had that weird 3-angle window.
Yeah.
What gen bed is this?
It could be 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, that's exactly right.
Rims on it. I think that's the
70 right here. Long bed 70.
Bench seat.
Bench seat. Tank in the back. Stick shifts and safety belts.
Had a bowling ball in the back.
Loose district secure. It looks like that might have been an SS at one time.
The 454.
Yeah, but I don't know. That front has been worked. It's not a work front, it's a worked front. What is that? Little
That's a
Vespa?
little Suzuki that my doctor friend gave me. It doesn't even have 100 miles on it.
Look at this bug, man. Nice. Wide pattern. 59. Here. Super
396.
lake pipes. Wow, and I thought Rollin was over. There was a Sprint that came in that you would have died over. You were talking or doing something. It was red, and it's the polar opposite of this Sprint here, or this Melissa Falcon. Oh, it's a Sprint, but it was absolute perfection. But that car, just put perfect. Pulled in earlier. Nice Jimmy, original green like that. Got a pooch in the back. Yeah, Embo showed up at the Cross Point Church show yesterday, just for a little while. Just kind of hung out.
There was a show somewhere yesterday.
Nice one. Yeah, that's the one. Yep, Cross Point Church. As soon as you pull up to you, oh my God, I've driven by this church like 9 million times.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, oh, okay, I know which one it is. Well, I think that's it for the roll-in for me. I think it's time to go walk around and go look and see at all the stuff that's out there. But I do want to check out this Honda because I like the fact he's got, is that his blow-off or is that his pop-off valve coming out the hood? Or, oh, that's his exhaust.
Turbo. Yeah.
Yeah, that's his exhaust. I like it. This is a future classic big money dollar car right here. The 95 because it had the best taillights. It didn't have the big stupid when they went to the big stupid like in the 96s and 97s.
The Acura Integra was the
Oh wow.
you had one of those when you couldn't afford the Acura.
Well, those Hondas were pretty dope. I think they're dope. I mean, to me, they're the Volkswagen bug of that era.
And the SIs, they're sporty.
I like them. All right, we'll be heading out too.
Walter.
All right, 4-door. Look at this, baby. Now this is the family truckster right here. Bel Air, trimmed out 59. More doors for more whores. That's right. Style line 48. Oh, it is a 48 wheel line. Thank you. Yeah, all the chrome should have told me that, right? Oh, here we go.
I don't know what should have told you that, but what told me that was the badge on the hood.
Oh, well, yeah, that too. Really? Nice K right behind it. K sirs, good morning. Well, I thought I was finished with the roll-ins. And we'll finish it up with a good old 350Z. Another car that I cut my teeth on working for Steve Miller.